Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Shorts feed and selecting the exact short that bothers you. This tells YouTube which signals to ignore. Once the short plays, tap the three-dot menu in the corner and choose Not Interested. You do this to train the algorithm, not to delete content globally. Make sure you're logged into the correct account so your preference is stored to that profile. This is the first concrete step toward a cleaner Shorts feed. Next, go into Library, open Watch History, and filter by Shorts or Recent Views. This removes signals that caused similar recommendations. Once done, remove individual shorts from history so YouTube loses the association between that content and your interests. You can also use the feedback options on videos to tell YouTube to stop recommending a channel or topic. These steps refine the algorithms. To finish, open Settings and fine-tune recommendations and notifications. Turn off topics, reset interests, or pause watch history to prevent new signals. If unwanted shorts still appear, clear your watch and search history. That forces the algorithm to relearn. As a troubleshooting tip, sign out and back in, update the YouTube app, or reinstall it. These steps fix caching or account sync issues. If you follow these final actions, your Shorts feed will progressively reflect your true preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.